Hi guys, welcome back. So today we've got this set Leon Cupra RST in for a Racingline 4-piece intake. Before we get into it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, also a notification bell, and then you won't miss when any of our new videos go live. So some of you who've been following us for a while, you might have noticed we've already done a video on this car where we've installed a REMUS exhaust system. So we'll put like a link in the description to that, or like a card somewhere so you can click and watch that. But obviously we're upgrading the intake today, so the 4-piece intake, so Racingline R600, the intake hose, the Turbo Muffler Delete and the Turbo Inlet, so fully de-restricting the intake. So this car, as well as having a really nice exhaust note, you'll be able to hear more of like the engine roar and also like the turbo spooling as well. So yeah, going to get the car in the workshop and talk through the parts in there, so you will see in a little bit. Okay, so we've got the set Leon Cupra RST behind us. We've already started removing some of the factory parts of the airbox, and we've got all the Racingline parts here in front of us. We're just going to talk you through it. So obviously first up we've got the Racingline R600 intake. So this is basically a high performance version of the standard intake, or the standard airbox rather. Completely replaces the standard airbox, and then also has a complete intake across the front of the vehicle as well, so making the most of the fresh air from the front of the car with a bigger airbox with a higher flow filter on there as well. Going from the R600 intake, you've then got the inlet hose that goes from the intake down to the intake elbow, replaces the factory plastic corrugated item. And then you've also got the 90-degree turbo inlet, which goes between the intake hose and the turbo. And this improves flow massively into the turbo. The factory item's incredibly restrictive, and we'll show you sort of like the before and after on these. And then on the turbo side, you've got the Turbo Muffler Delete. So the factory item has basically 2 chambers in it that's basically designed to silence the turbo, and obviously for performance use we don't really want that. We want the turbo to be sort of like uninhibited, so we want the most amount of flow as possible, and also obviously if you upgrade the intake you want more turbo sounds as well, and this will give you just that. So yeah, you can get all these parts fitted to the car and let us know what you think a little bit later on of the sound. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then please give us a thumbs up. If you'd like to watch other videos of ours that YouTube thinks you'll like, then click up here. If you'd like to watch some other videos that we have in the same playlist, then click here. And obviously if you enjoyed the video, then we really appreciate if you gave us a subscription. And then obviously you'll be updated when other videos of ours go live, and you can do that quite easily by clicking here. Hope to see you soon.